everyone, and welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to create some beautiful press-on nails, and the first base gel which I'm going to use is by Nail Reserve. It's a really pretty nude kind of semi-transparent gel polish, so it gives you a really natural effect as well as it's good for French nail art. Now I've applied it as like for the most importantly base gel, and second step that I'm going to do is to create French nails, and for this I'm going to use gel polish by Ballerina. You can get any good gel polish like Born Pretty or anything from anywhere, and this long bristle brush that I'm going to use is also from Amazon. Amazon like has so many good nail art products. Also like this white this booklet is used for nail art and doing some mixing the gel colors or anything. You can use a tissue paper to just wipe it off, and it's good to go for the other nail art thing. So it's really long lasting booklet. It costed me around $2 from Amazon, and I also found out from AliExpress, which was also the similar price. So it's really important for like doing a nail art. I think you should be having this thing. I'm creating this old school French tips. This you can do just by following the step that I'm doing. I'm not perfect in it, but I just try my best to follow the lines and to create like that curve effect. Long bristle brush really helps to create a French nail art, which is like really needed if you wanted to create some long lines, or if you're not perfect in creating that. Now I'm going to use this Rhinestone glue gel by Mermaid, and I've sticked the crystal on it. This also I got from Amazon, and for the top coat I'm using this Oxy nail brand top coat. It's really good. It's also no wipe. I love this brand, and their top coat, also their Mermaid top coat, is like really good, so you can just give it a try. I got it from AliExpress. Now I'm going to use this rhinestone gel, the same gel that I've used to stick the crystal, to create this 3D effect lines, like a mermaid lines. For the second nail art, I'm going to use this gel polish by Nail Reserve, the same brand of nail gel polish that I always use in my videos. Now for the Ombre aura effect, I'm going to use this Ombre brush that I got from Amazon. I'm going to link down everything that I've been using in this video in the description box. So if you are curious to where to get these things, you can check out all the links which I've mentioned in the description. I've used this Gem Shells palette, and I also got it from Amazon. They delivered really fast to me, and it's like a perfect palette for nail art. I mean, I know it's an eye palette, but for my nail art I think every color is in there, so I can create whatever color technique that I want to. For the ombre effect, I have added a little bit white as well, just to blur out the dark lines of pink ombre color. But again, I'm going to put the pink color on the top of it just to give it more nice vibrant ombre touch. This brush is like really helpful to create the ombre effect. I've used other brushes, but they're not helpful. They were giving like a harsh line effect on the nails, which were not really looking good. You can use a sponge too if you're good in it, but this brush I would recommend you definitely to use it too for the aura effect nail art. Okay, so now I am going to use these transparent crystal hearts, and I got them from Temu. And to stick them, I'm going to use the same rhinestone glue gel. This is like really convenient glue tube, so you can just use it. And I have used this Rhinestone nail picker and crystals, like, you know, this is how I'm going to do it. Like, you can see how I am using this rhinestone picker to stick these hearts. They're done, and I finished with the top coat too, and it's time to use and stick them in the nail box. So this box I got from Temu. I got like 6 of them, and it's really convenient. You can see the quality is just okay. I have used this nail tape, and I am going to use scissors too, so like, you know, I can just create some good lines for that using that tape, and use the tweezer to remove the red over top tape from that. It's time to stick them, and see how easy it is to, like, you know, just stick them. And it's done. I hope you guys liked this video, and if you did, then do not forget to subscribe. I will be uploading more nail art press-ons for you. Thank you for watching. Bye.